Let's open up this mushroom kit together. Patience. Okay, we got to do our intros first.
Hi, my name is Tyson and I'm here with monarchmushrooms.ca and we're about to open up a lion's mane kit.
And I'm Laurelle from Arts Nursery in Surrey, BC, and we are carrying these kits.
Can I open it now?
Okay, let's open it. Let's open it.
Excellent. So inside your box, you will receive a spray bottle, humidity tent, as well as detailed instructions. Your grow block filled with healthy mycelium.
Now what do we do?
So in order to get started, we need to clean our hands to make sure we're not contaminating the blocks in any way. And next, the bag and tools. So now we want to cut a space for our mushrooms to grow out of. So now we're going to hydrate the blocks and encourage it or give it the biological signal to create fruit.
And that's it?
We're almost there. Next, we want to set up our humidity tent. So this will go over the block and then provide a humid environment for the mushrooms to grow. So we can do an extra step, spray the inside of the tent, just lightly create a misted environment.
Like a mini greenhouse.
And that's it.
And that's seriously it.
That's it.
Still have so many questions though.
Well, I'm here to answer them, so let's do another video and I'll answer them all.
Good idea.